Hi there and welcome. My name is Jack Howe. I'll be the instructor for this hands-on code quality enhancement course. Now, code quality is a loaded concept. It involves multiple aspects and phases throughout the whole software engineering process. In this course, I'll streamline some of the most popular and common practices and processes to address the code quality issues in modern software development contexts. I'll also demonstrate how some of the most well-established financial institutions are doing this. If you're a team lead, the goal is to show you how to design and implement a process to enforce the code quality in your team. If you're a developer, you'll learn why and how to improve the code quality in your everyday work. All the processes, tools, and practices we mentioned in this course are used by financial institutions I'm involved with throughout my professional life. A little bit of background about myself. Again, my name is Jack Howe. I've been spending more than 15 years working in the financial industry in Australia. It's a grateful experience to work in fintech companies, banks, and stock exchange. And all those experiences gave me great insight on how code quality has been dealt within those organizations. There are 4 sections in this course: coding style standardization, test coverage improvement, comprehensive coding inspection, and vulnerability enhancement. For each section, we'll start with the question, why do we want to do this in the first place? Then, we'll go through some hands-on implementation of how each aspect can be achieved by using tools and plugins. And finally, we'll review what we've learned and to share some of the insights and mindsets around code quality as a practice. I hope you enjoy the learning and, more importantly, to apply what you learned to make a difference. Now let's get started.